You never made a sale? Then watch this video. Lately I'm getting lots of clicks on some of my products and I'm making sales and I'm making money. So what kind of products do I promote? Well, I am promoting weight loss related products. Why? Because this is the perfect time of the year to promote weight loss related products. Why? Because this is the beginning of the new year and many people have New Year's resolution. And for many of those people, one of the New Year's resolutions is to lose weight. And they are looking for different ways to lose weight. So I advertise keto products, smoothies, diets, weight loss workout products, and so on and so on. Because like I said, this is the perfect time of the year to promote weight loss related products. So today I'm going to show you one weird trick that works and it is 100% free to promote weight loss related products. So if you're a beginner, you need to watch this video very carefully. I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace and what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness. And I will sort this by gravity and you need to research all of these products. You don't want to promote just any product and soon you will see what I mean. So I already did the research and I wish to promote this product here. Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. And I need to open their affiliate tools page in the new tab. So let me just open here and I need to scroll here and I need to click here on get your affiliate tools here. Here you can see they have up sales and down sales and what I'm actually looking for are videos. Here you can see sales video and intro teaser. So you wish to use either sales video or intro teaser. You don't want to use video testimonials. And later you will see why I need sales video or intro teaser. So for this example, I'm going to use sales video. So what I need to do, I need to click here to download this video. And then click here on OK and save this video on my desktop. So now we need to make our own video. And for that you can use any video editor that you want, or you can simply go on Canva and you can register for a free account. And what you need to do, you need to click here on video. And Canva will automatically give you right dimensions for the video. So what we need to do, we need to add a first slide, a first 3 to 5 second short video that will catch their attention. And that video should be weird, should be unusual, something that will catch their attention and something that will hook them up to watch the rest of our video. Now, if you're a pro member on Canva, you can find those videos here on Canva. But if you're not, then you need to go on a website called Pixabay. And here in search bar, you need to type sales and then click search and then click here and then click here on videos, and Pixabay will give you royalty free videos of sales. And you need to find weird and oddly looking videos that will grab the attention. For example, this one here, all you have to do is just click on it and here you can see free for commercial use, no attribution required, which means you can use this video in your own video. And what you need to do, click here on free download, choose the right dimensions, click here on download again, give it a few seconds, click OK, and you will save this video on your desktop. All you have to do now, just go back on Canva, click here on uploads, and then click here upload media, and you need to upload video that you downloaded from Pixabay, and also you need to upload video that you downloaded from their affiliate tools page. You need to upload their sales video. Now I already did that, so I will just click here on videos and I will drag this video here, okay? And I can move this video like this and I can drag it. So I can just, and I can drag it to make it fit to my template. Just like this. And like I said, I need to make this video to be 3 to 5 seconds long. You don't want to make this video longer than that because this is the hook. It needs to hook them up to watch the rest of the video. So to do that, I can just click here and then I can just move this slider. So let's just say, for example, 4 seconds. Okay, and then click here, done, and that's it. And now I need to add second slide. So just click here on add page and I will drag this sales video just like this. Okay. And I will move this video like this. And also I will drag it to make it fit to my template. And again, I don't want entire video. I want just 30 seconds. And the reason why we used this video, their sales video, is because these guys are professionals. They made a professional video. They hired professional script writers. They hired professional cameramans. They hired professional video editors, and so on and so on. And they made a professional video. And that is why you wish to use their video. But we don't want to use entire video. We only wish to use a first 30 seconds because, like I said, these guys are professional. They know how to hook up people to watch the entire video. And we need just 30 seconds, just first 30 seconds. Again, just click here. And then again, just move this slider. So you can just move it like this. Okay, 30 seconds. And then click here on done. So now I need to add my call to action. So I will click here on this T for text, and I will choose one of these text styles. So let me just find one of these text styles, write text style for me. Just give it a second. So let's say I wish to use this one here. Just click on it and then double click here and delete. And I can say something like this. So let me just make this wider like this and like this and a bit smaller. So let's say for example 80, and I can even add some animations. So just click here and then click here on animate, and let's say rise for example. Okay, pan, rise is better. And this slide needs to be between 5 and 10 seconds long. You don't need to be, no need to be longer than that. And after you finish everything, after you finish your video, and your video should be just a few seconds long, all you have to do is just click here on download and then choose MP4 video and then click here on download and download this video to your desktop. So now when we have our video, now we need to upload it somewhere in order to get the traffic. And for that we are going to use Rumble. Rumble is exactly the same like YouTube. And when we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that last month Rumble got 131 million visits. And here you can see that most of their visitors are coming from tier 1 countries. So Rumble has a good potential for affiliate marketing. So go back here, and obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register. Registration is free. After that you need to upload your video, and for that you need to click here and then click here on upload video. And then click here and upload video that you just made in Canva. And then click here on open. And now you need to add a title to this video. For that you can go on their sales page. So let me just open their sales page in new tab. And I can simply copy this, Ctrl C, go back on Rumble, and I can paste it here. Easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss. And now we need to add description, and you need to open your description with your affiliate link. You should shorten your affiliate link because that is an ugly, long and ugly looking link. So you need to shorten it. You can use any URL shortener that you want. I used Bitly, so I already shortened my affiliate link. So Ctrl C, go back here, and I can paste it here. And again, I can go back on their sales page, and I can use one of their text as my description, as a description of my video. For example, this one here, Ctrl C, go back on Rumble, and I can paste it here. Okay. And now we need to make a thumbnail. You wish to use your own thumbnail because these thumbnails are not the best. So for that, you can simply go back on Canva and you can choose the first slide, and you can just drag it to find a right image. So let me just drag it like this. Okay, this looks good. So what you need to do, you need to click here on downloads and then click here on all pages. And then untick this and only choose the first page. And then click here on done. And then choose here PNG. That is very important. And then click here on download. And download this image to your desktop. Click here, okay? And that's it. And now you need to go back on Rumble. And you need to click here on choose your own. Click here. And this is the image. So let me just choose it here. Click open. And this is our thumbnail, okay? You can also add some text if you want, but you don't really need, because this is an interesting image that will catch people's attention, that will catch people's eye, and they will click on your video to watch your video. So now you need to add tags. So you can simply say fat loss. You can also say weight loss and something like that. For this example, I will just leave these two. And you can also schedule this video if you want. I don't want. I wish to upload this video immediately. Click here on upload. And you don't need to do anything here. Just click here. You have not signed any exclusive agreement. Click here to say you understand terms of service. And then click here on submit, and you will submit your video to the Rumble. And this is my video, and because of the interesting thumbnail, people will click on this video, and first 4 seconds of this video will hook them up to watch entire video, and then those 30 seconds that I took from their sales video will make them click on the link in description. So they will simply scroll here and they will click on my affiliate link and potentially buy this product. And not just that, but Rumble also have a partnership program, so you can earn money every time people watch your video. As you can see here, this video earned $7.42. This video earned $3. This video earned $63. So you need to start driving traffic to your Rumble video, because in that way you can earn money from the affiliate product that you are promoting and also from Rumble partnership program. And to maximize your earnings, you need to upload that video not just on Rumble. You need to upload that video on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, and so on and so on. And also you need to start driving some traffic to those videos. You need to share those videos on related Facebook groups. You need to share those videos on related forums, on Reddit, on Quora, and so on and so on. And in that way, you will get even more views and even more people will click on your affiliate link in the description of those videos, and even more people will buy that product, and even you will make even more money. So this is the weird trick that you can use to promote weight loss related products and make money with affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.